Hi friend, Marian here of Potentials.com, signing at our channel. So, let me share with you ngayon yung daily hope ni Pastor Rick Warren. Wise people ask question, then listen. Yung Bible verse niya is from Proverbs 20 verse 5. People's thought can be like a deep well, but someone with understanding can find the wisdom there. So if you want to be wise, learn how to ask wise questions. So, yung Proverbs 20, uh, chapter 20, verse 5 tells us that people's thoughts can be like a deep well, but someone with understanding can find the wisdom there. So, kumbaga yung mga ideas, wisdom natin could be a source of enlightenment to others, inspiration, guidance. So everybody has something to teach you. You may have to throw their wisdom out like from a deep well. It's worth the time. So paano ba natin makukuha yung wisdom na yon? So one is by asking questions, di ba? Learn to ask smart questions. If you know the right questions to ask, you can learn from anybody. So, kumbaga, be careful din tayo kasi minsan may mga questions na deceiving. Parang we just want to prove that we are better. So, hindi po yun yung smart question at wise question na na-mention ni Pastor Rick Bar. But genuine questions wherein we want to extract from that person yung wisdom niya. You don't learn when you're talking. You learn when you're listening. So we have to learn how to listen. Be the person who believes you can learn from anyone. So friend, lahat talaga may kanya-kanya tayong story. From each of our story, we can learn something out of that person. Yung expertise niya, yung experiences niya, yung talents niya and treasure. So try to spend the whole day focusing on listening rather than talking. What difference does it make? So, paano ba kung tayo lang ay makikinig at hindi tayo magsasalita? What do you communicate to someone when you ask them questions and then listen to the answers with focus and interest? So, friend, can you practice that? After asking your questions, you just listen and learn from that person. Rather than talk and talk questions, tapos nag-talk ka, di wala ka rin matututunan. And then, to draw wisdom out of people, you need to learn to ask wise question. What is the wise question you like to ask someone in your life? So, friend, we talk of genuine questions of learning, of searching, of discovering things from others, not from us. Ask the wise and smart question. Stay safe, everyone. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.